What if everything you see, hear, and feel was just part of an advanced computer simulation, created by a highly advanced civilization that watches you as if you were a character in The Sims? While this idea may sound far-fetched, notable figures like Elon Musk and Neil deGrasse Tyson have suggested that not only is it possible, but it may even be highly likely. But where did this theory originate, and is there any real evidence to support it? The idea that reality may not be what it seems is not new. One of the earliest examples comes from Plato's allegory of the cave, which suggests that what we perceive as reality may only be shadows of a deeper truth. Later, Descartes' evil demon thought experiment proposed that a powerful being could be deceiving us about the nature of the world. The simulation hypothesis is a more modern interpretation, first formally introduced by Oxford philosopher Nick Bostrom in his 2003 paper, Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?, where Bostrom proposed that one of the following must be true. Civilizations never reach a level where they can run advanced ancestor simulations. Civilizations reach this level, but choose not to run simulations. And we are almost certainly living in a simulation. Essentially, Bostrom argues that if a technologically advanced civilization capable of creating countless simulated realities exists, then statistically, it is more likely that we are living in one of those simulations rather than in a base reality. Bostrom's argument is supported by a key observation. Today, our most sophisticated universe simulations already include star formation, magnetic fields, cosmic rays, radiation, and more, tracing the evolution of millions of galaxies over billions of years. If technology continues to advance, it seems plausible that future civilizations could create simulations that are indistinguishable from reality. Additionally, the more we learn about the universe, the more it appears to be structured by rigid mathematical laws, similar to the code written for a computer program. Supporting this, ideas from information theory have also been found in physics, such as error-correcting codes, the stuff that makes browsers work, appearing in equations related to quarks, electrons, and supersymmetry. But really, finding definitive proof that we are or aren't in a simulation is extremely difficult. One proposed sign is that programmers might cut corners to make the simulation easier to run. This is based on the idea that any system simulating our universe would have limited computational resources. Even a seemingly endless open world game like Minecraft has a maximum size after all, with its world being limited to roughly 60 million meters in length. One possible piece of evidence for this limitation could come from something like an unusual distribution of energies among the cosmic rays hitting Earth that suggests spacetime isn't continuous, but instead made of discrete points. However, proving this could be incredibly challenging. But worse yet, if we are in a simulation, any evidence we uncover could just be part of the simulation itself, making the truth even harder to grasp. So are we living in a simulation? The truth is, no one really knows for sure, but even if we are in a simulation, we should be fine as long as there isn't a bug in the simulation